We're gonna make a coffee with the package. Open the package. Si prende il caffè. Smell good. Si pone qui. Lo mettiamo qui. Prendi il bicchiere e schiacci il bottone corto, o lungo, o medio, o non stop. Guarda che bel caffè. Ok, ora per me va bene, lo posso fermare. Quando è finito si apre, si toglie la pastiglia e si pone nella vasura. Il caffè è venuto benissimo. Ok, vediamo. Very good. Now cappuccino, accende e spegne, on off, turn it on, and the steam starts coming out. We just turn it on, so it's gonna take a few seconds, but it's coming. Okay. I should have turned it on before. Nothing like it's not working. Okay. And this is the steam for the cappuccino. So you can make coffee and at the same time make a cappuccino. Off. On. Off. Now, you can even keep the cappuccino off if you only want to make coffee, and make coffee. Sometimes you don't need a cappuccino, so you can keep this side off, or you can keep it on. There is a switch for the coffee, there is a switch for the cappuccino. The tank is over here in the back. He has a tank in the back, you can pull it out with a filter. He has a water softener. 110 plug. Americana.